Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is a new set, aka is a new look in my apartment. Welcome to the 92 Social YouTube channel. Today we are doing our first product review or product unboxing. I have recently bought some Rode mics for a podcast and other things that we're going to use here at 92 Social. So with that being said, let's cut to it. All right, so let's talk about this mic. Ooh, I purchased this mic for a client, and you know what? You can never ever go wrong with Rode. Rode mics are usually A1, and this one I have right here is the NT USB Mini Studio Quality USB microphone. This will work perfectly with the podcasting client that I have, and also just general videos, other podcasts. I would definitely link this in the description for you. Here we go. Yeah, so like I said, Rode mics, I'm a big fan. I have Rode Shotgun, Lav mic, and now I have an actual USB microphone. So first thing that we have on top of the box is, ooh, with this focus, there we go. It's just a little, ooh, there's a QR code. Scan. There you go. So this is essentially, just a safety thing. Who needs that? And then now we have, sweet. Now we have the Rode guide right here. So let's see. Oh, damn. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. So let's look at, wow. So it gives you literally step by step on how to set it up, how to use it. And as creatives, we are visual people. Give us pictures. We love pictures and books. So next, oh damn, this is tightly packed. There you go. We got, I see the mic. Anyways, so you can see right here, the carnage is the actual microphone. Perfect. We got the screw that you can add to the arm, and the actual wire that connects to the camera or your laptop. All right, perfect. There she goes. The mic stand is still in there, but right here is the actual mic. Look at the flexibility on this bad boy. Ooh. Hey, don't get me wrong, and you probably can tell after or in this video that I am not a technical guy, but I do know that this is a fantastic mic. It feels like it's quality, real. It feels like heavy duty, like I bought something good. So I'll leave that right here. So now let's get the actual base. So right over here you have your mic stand. Perfect. And guess what? It's magnetic. Hello. 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 How are ya? Perfect. You can change the volume. And then behind here is where you put your inputs and outputs. Boom. Amazing. So there you go. Alrighty guys, so I hope you found that interesting. A very good product over here. Very good. It just feels like substance, you know what I'm saying? Let me know if you had this before, if you bought this, and if you're using it. Let us know your reviews in the comments below. But with that being said, hope you have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Take care.